Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is an online styling service. Pay them a $20 fee. They'll curate a box of 5 items based on the profile that you fill out. Keep what you want, send back what you don't. That $20 gets applied to your box. I get unlimited fixes because I was qualified for the Style Pass years ago. That means I don't have to pay that $20 fee, and I can have as many boxes as I want. Shipping is free both ways, and yeah, can't beat it. Stitch Fix has had its problems with some like inventory issues, and a lot of their stuff seems to be really kind of old and stale. And this past box is a good one because it's fairly all new inventory items. So let me go through what I have here with you now. The first thing, firstly, my stylist is Shannon from Shannon Style, and basically 2 things I picked out from my preview, and the rest she picked out from my wish list. So you can save items from your saved on the Freestyle app. And anything you save, if the stylist sees it in the inventory, they can send it to you. So if you want ideas on how to get better fixes, really work hard and save anything that you might be remotely interested in. And that's exactly what I do. So at least things that I got are things that I could possibly be interested in. I told her that I wanted some dangly silver earrings, and I like geometric shapes or filigree. So she sent me on my wish list these Market and Spruce Giselle teardrop earrings, so for $45. And I was a little skeptical of the price when I saw they were $45. I didn't realize they were that much. I thought usually their jewelry's like in the $30 range. But I was like, okay, it's okay. I might pay $45 for a nice pair of earrings. I have been paid that much. But I get these, and I'm sorry, I'm not that impressed with them, all right? They're very thin, which is, I guess, okay, because I don't want them heavy in my ears. But I don't know if you noticed this, but right over here, can you see that? They didn't cut out the filigree. It's filled in. It's like a machine went to punch it out, but didn't punch it all the way out. So I already know I'm not going to keep these because these are kind of flawed, and especially for $45. So these are going back. So no question about that. Next up are a pair of pants. These pants I selected from my preview. And by the way, this is Fix 89 for me, 89. These pants I did pick from my preview. I was looking for a wide leg pant that I can wear with flats, or I can even wear with sneakers and make them like streetwise smart, and just black. I have a pair of black wide leg pants, but they're like a little bit snug, to be honest, and they're more work looking because they have like gold buttons down here in the pockets that make them dressier. And I'm looking just for something a lot more casual. So these came up in my preview, and I said, yes, send them along. Again, they were on my wish list. So the Liverpool Kelsey wide leg trouser in black, size 0, $109. And as you can see, I can get away with wearing flats with them. I have a pair on my loafers with them. They're a little bit long and they puddle, but that's okay. Thus, if I'm wearing these with them, I can wear also sneakers with them and give them like more of a street vibe. I do think they fit. The pockets ever so slightly maybe pulling, but that's just barely there. They're a really nice soft fabric. I'll tell you what the material is once I take them off because I didn't realize it, but it's like a thick ponte knit, extremely comfortable. $109, I'm gonna really have to think about it because we're getting into summer and it's a lot of money to spend on something that I don't really need. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next one. Okay, the trousers are 53% viscose, 38% nylon, 9% elastane. They're absolutely beautiful. Love them. Just don't sure that I need them, especially for the price. Thinking about it, but again, are they more of a work trouser and it's really just not fitting my lifestyle? So I'm thinking, but thinking no. All right, next up, and these are more maybe a better solution for my lifestyle, are these Tribal Lola high waist pull on wide leg in black, and these are only $58. So they have slash pockets here that are sewn, all right? Those were the traditional slash pockets, the Liverpool with the slash pockets with the besom pockets in the back. This has no pockets in the back, pull-on style, but they do have slash pockets. And the difference between these is the material and the length. So this is like more of an ankle length, like a kick flare. These are 76% rayon, 21% nylon, and 3% spandex. They're more of a cotton feel, and they're less heavyweight than the Liverpool. So I'm thinking too, I would be able to get use out of these in the summer as well. Thoughts? $58, possibly. All right. I mean, I love the Liverpool, but do I really need like a professional pair of pants or trousers right now? And I think the answer is no. Whereas these, because they're the wide leg and they're kick crop, I think maybe these are kind of cuter. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and how you think these are and how these fit me. And I will look back at the footage myself as well. Make sure that they fit me okay. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next. Okay, next up I'm very excited to show you this because this is fresh hot off in new inventory. How do I know that? Because I am looking daily in that new categories item to see what's coming out and what's new. This is the Steve Madden apparel dress, Battaglia dress. They're calling this color cobalt. I'll come a little closer. I would call this color blueberry, all right? I would not call this cobalt, nor would I call it navy. I would call it more blueberry. It's like a purpley blue. This is a size extra small. It's $129, and it's quite obvious that this was meant for a much taller person than me, and someone with a flatter chest. So first place, this is way too plunging for me, showing way too much cleavage. And second place, there's like seaming here that's supposed to go underneath your breast, and it cuts it right in the middle for me. So this isn't gonna work for me, unfortunately. This dress is 100% cotton. It is super light, airy, and flowy. There is a lining in it. I believe the lining said it was rayon, so that's also nice, airy, and flowy. Really, really nice dress. This part from here down fits very nicely. It's really just the top part that's an issue for me. Highly recommend this nice dress, except for the fact that it does wrinkle, all right? Just warning you that now. So this is going to be a no for me, but it is a very lovely dress. If you're looking for a nice, airy cotton summer dress, I would recommend this, especially if you're taller and smaller chested than me. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next. Okay, the last item I'm not able to show you and display to you, but I will hold it up for you. And I was very disappointed because it's another new with inventory item. Like I said, I go through the new thing, and as soon as I see something brand new, I select it. It's the Zeep Supply Honor Vine mini dress in beige, extra small, $119. This dress is 85% viscose, 15% linen, another light, airy dress. I could not get this over my head. Now, this is wide, so you're looking at the shoulder width, it's wide. However, in order to get it over your head, you have this non-elastic waist. Look at the length. This is teeny tiny. I could not get this over my head and my shoulders. So it literally just sat up here around my neck, and I couldn't get it down. I tried stepping into it. No way. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you this, but honestly, I don't think I would have kept it anyway. This to me, kind of like, now that I see it, it looks very much like a junior's dress, okay? It has the smocking across the top. It has an empire waist. It has the square neck, which looks very wide. Like, I don't even think this would fit me if I were to able to get it over my head, because then the width here is just too wide. And it is, when I mean mini, I mean I could not wear this. This is really mini. So no to this dress. I don't think Zeep Supply in particular is a junior's name brand at all. But this dress, it just does not work for me whatsoever. It was cute when I saw the picture. So it has like the vine detail. These are actually gray dots that's making the vine detail. And the coloring is like this nice soft ivory color. It is a pretty dress, but unfortunately way too young and definitely made for another body type. So the only thing, I'm definitely not the earrings, is they're not made right. Definitely not the either dress, because they don't fit. And it's a toss up between the two pairs of plants and if I get anything at all. So let me know your thoughts. I mean, you know, when they're picking out items for me, she picked out everything that was from my list, you know, so these are all my picks. It wasn't really my stylist picks. But on the other hand, none of the things actually worked out, and that's the way it happens sometimes. All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you hasn't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me that thumbs up. Take care. Till next time.